See, I'm looking back and I don't get it. Every single minute that we spending, every second had me feeling like the number one, but I was second. Playing with my heart, you really. Yo, 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 as my girl would say. What's good, y'all, man? We back here with another one, man. I don't know if y'all can see me good. Hold on. Y'all see the title, man. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all already know what's going on, man. I don't know what's going on yet, but y'all know what's going on. So as of now, though, the plans are we have a meet. Yes, another meet. Another video, another meet. Hold on, my fault, y'all, the intersection. Go ahead, stupid. Sounded crazy right there. Got something in my eye, but I can't touch my face, yo. Yo, do not touch your face during this time, man. Keep yourself sanitized. Keep yourself sanitized, man. Stay doing what y'all gotta do, man. Just go over here and put the music on, man. But nah, yeah, please take care of yourself during this time. Keep your mask on, keep your distance. Cause yeah, I'm still outside. But I am distancing myself from others. But nah, yeah, the plan is to go to a meet. Shout out to Mpireboyz, shout out to Team No Hezzy, shout out to Bad Influence, man. Shout out to all them crazy ass car clubs that's hosting these meets, man. We appreciate it. We appreciate it a whole bunch, man. You know, keeps me entertained, keeps y'all entertained, man. And shout out to y'all for supporting too. So that is the plan as of now. The meet is in a couple minutes, so you know we just doing our regular stuff, you know, running around before heading there. I got the car washed already, so y'all not gonna be seeing that. So yeah, y'all might like that, because you might not like the content when I go to the car wash and stuff. Y'all comment down below, man, if sometimes I do too much, or y'all just want me to get straight to it. But nah, yeah, the only thing we gotta do right now is pick up Slick Vic. We're going to pick him up. Shout out to my man for me. We getting that content. We made it to our destination, man. No B-roll for that, my fault, y'all. I mean, it's hard to do shit by myself, but no excuses, man. No excuses.
You want to use this one? You know how to use this one?
Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, my God. My fault. He was going over my shit. It was good. I dropped this, yo.
So what's going with? Wait, so who am I going with? Who you going with?
I'm in Albert's car.
I wanted to record this one. Albert's car.
You wanna go out over?
Wow.
You could be the shooter. You could be
That's what I was looking forward to do.
Yeah, he wants to catch B-roll.
You don't catch B-roll for your car, cause no disrespect to nobody, but I've been rolling with my son Marvin, so.
I don't mind changing.
Alright, we switch in and out, so you can get every car. We switch every time, so you get every car.
I got 6 fucking cameras in my car. I ain't got footage from the last one.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. We switch like every stop, type shit. I gotta get a GoPro for my car. I gotta get a GoPro.
Have you seen people put that GoPro?
Yeah, they be put. Sometimes they be put on the top anyway. Yeah.
It holds it.
Yeah, it got it's like a suction.
That shit is fire though. I'm not gonna lie.
Nah, it's a fact. All right, y'all. We doing one more pit stop. So we at the gas station right now, right? This Challenger pulls up. And I don't know if this is the Hellcat logo or not, bro. I'm trying to be so low, trying to show this off. Nigga spacing right here, bro. I can't tell. Is that a Hellcat logo? Yeah, I cannot tell.
He did that to you?
Yeah. Nigga, they yelled at me. I'm like, damn, I'm not gonna cop no gas. I'll just go back inside.
Are we out there?
Waiting on Albert.
Where he at?
Bro, is that the Hellcat logo?
Where Albert?
Y'all be the judge of that, man. I can't tell, man. I don't think that's not the real Hellcat badge. I'm gonna put a picture. We're gonna find a picture. We're gonna put it down there. Shaking my heart, man. Shout out to the Volkswagen gang, man. I see a fellow Volkswagen member over there, man. Shout out to the V-Dubs, man. Oh, that's a GLI, an old one, man. It's probably like a Mark, what, Mark? It's a Mark 5. I'm about to take a picture. Yo, it's funny because we was driving with that guy the whole time. Literally from the time we got in the Deegan, once we got in the Deegan, we swam the whole time, all the way up there. Oh look, they rolling out. Mpireboyz, JDM. Shout out Mpireboyz, man. They outside. They outside, the JDM fam. They outside. They outside. The Camry? The slow Camry, that's his tag. Fire, fire. Yeah, outside, man. It's a beautiful location, man. Watch out. It's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful location, man. It's closed, man. We're not giving out the ad, man. It's closed, man. Shout out Mpireboyz.
Las señores, dejen sus bámbaras, señores, salgan para afuera, no se quedan trancados. Está firme mental health, man.
Come on, man. Just put your mask on.
Take precautions.
Put your mask on, get some fresh air. Feel me? Nah, it's a beautiful location.
It is. That shit is fire. Just looking straight down.
Woo-hoo. What? Y'all gotta get a drone. Genesis? They outside. Nah, that shit is hard, bro. That shit is fire. And I'm not even a Mustang fan. I don't like Mustangs, but it's fire. That car is fire. Nah, the rap is beefy.
Estimated myself.
That's amazing. Don't got no love. Nah, it's beastie. Let's get the front. Bro, look at the lights. Lights on this bed. Nah, it's fire. Fire. Man, what y'all think of that GT, man? What y'all think of it, man? It's beastie, man. It's beastie. I like it. And I'm not even a Mustang guy, man. What y'all prefer though? Hellcats? Or Mustangs, man? Comment down below. Alright, the security here is already trying to shut it down. I don't know. I hope not, man. Let's not speak into existence, but it looked like it. He's all the way down over there, posted up, stuff. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It's a little different. The car community does nothing, bro. Nothing wrong, bro. Just want to park and chill. Exactly like the event is called, bro. Park and chill. And my God, look at the charger. It's an odd. Oh, my son, the YouTube channel. Oh shit. Oh. Nah, the Q50 is fire, man. This Q50 is beastie. The green calipers? Nah, the calipers is nice. With the black? Yeah, those is beastie.
What happened?
Nah, this is fire, man. The rear diffuser and everything. Nah, the Q50 is fire, man. If you know what to do with it, it's fire. I gotta tip my tail lights, man. And I gotta do my chrome delete, man. Y'all gonna hear this all the time, man, until I get it done. Until I get it done, man.
I know funny. You know what you should do? You should turn the camera off for this.
Yo, so I don't think I told y'all, so we might be, so y'all already know, man, I got an aftermarket exhaust, man. Or tuning, catback exhaust, or AUE, whatever you call it. But it has a muffler in it. So, and it's after the downpipe, like I said, the catback. So I'm thinking about removing that muffler. Hopefully give it a louder and more aggressive tone. So we're gonna see what I do with that, man. Hopefully, hopefully I get that done. Hopefully I get that done. Hopefully I get that done, man. We thinking about it. Y'all comment down below, man. Let me know, should I or should I not remove that muffler I have on my aftermarket or tuning catback exhaust, man. Comment down below. Let me know, man. Nah, but I don't like the spoiler. I don't like the spoiler.
Yeah, the spoiler got
The spoiler gotta go. The color's fire. I don't like that spoiler though.
Yo, listen up.
That's exactly how I want it.
I'm looking crazy right now, but
Sorry, we all looking
I
crazy.
will have the best Civic in the Bronx. Automatic. R18. Best one in the Bronx. Me.
Asia.
For sure.
Nah, but he's working on it. He's definitely like he's gonna exceed all of us in progress right now. My man's been getting to it, and he has some big things. He has some big things on the way, man. Yeah, stay tuned to see his Civic, man. Link down below to that man's IG. Nah, I'm telling you, man. Y'all gonna see, man. He's working. Is it S4? Nah, it's a regular. Yo, man.
Es el tipo que nos saca de aquí. Diablo, loco.
That's not no regular shit. That's not regular.
Nah, bro.
You about to say it's an
It's just, I said it. It was me. I was saying
that's
it.
a regular.
I said it's a
nigga,
regular
that shit right
A4.
there.
He said what? Nah, you can tell by the caliper. It is a regular A4. S4s have the S4 caliper. It says S4. So, but why would you change it if you have an S4? That's what I'm trying to say. Like if you have an S4
Yeah,
caliper.
if I got an Audi, nigga, A4, I could just put the S4 caliper.
But that's what I'm saying. He don't have it on. So if it was an S4, why would he take it off?
Nah, he broke down, nigga. He broke my head.
You understand what I'm saying? You could put it on, right?
right?
It would look better if you put it on because yours not really an S4. His is like if he had an S4 already, why would he take it off?
You understand
what I'm saying?
These niggas is coming in.
Oh shit. Oh.
Baby, you should have
That's the nigga that be doing the donuts.
Yeah.
He be wildin'. That's why boys is out. He be wildin'. Y'all gotta give me an edge. The one thing I feel like once you fix that carb, you're gonna be different because I don't see a lot of that Audi, a lot of those Audis fixed up.
I'm not gonna run that shit by my head.
Yo, that shit fire. Nah, his car is fire. His shit sound like it got something different. Oh, is he about to? One time.
Oh, best one, look at that G line, man.
Oh, whoa. Ew. Yo, he almost lost us.
That's the nigga.
Nah, that's the Jimmy wheels. He on the wheel. Oh. That's the
That nigga did not come on the highway with that.
Or what? No way.
He did. No, where's he gonna put that? He came in that.
I mean, he probably lived close though. Like,
You got a point.
he got one of those garages over there. Don't turn that shit. Don't turn that shit. Don't turn that shit. That nigga will bust his ass.
Oh, we looking a little shaky. I don't know. He about to mac the core.
Nigga, that shit like the same place Joseph got.
Yeah, it look like the temp Joseph had. Damn.
Well, you gotta get some more.
Bro, come on, man. Cause my son had his car and he was quiet. He was hiding with his car.
I had to go to work, bro.
Nah, I feel you.
It's just dead ass go.
I feel you. Nah, but when you had a car, nobody had cars though at the time.
Oh yeah.
You had yours, I think.
I don't think so.
Nah, you did.
I did?
He was driving the Beamer.
Oh, he's driving the Beamer.
Oh.
But that wasn't his car though.
Yeah, facts.
Nigga, basically his, nigga.
Nah, but he's not gonna go and start putting money into it.
Nah, yeah. First thing I would do is definitely probably tint the damn window.
Thank you. That's the first thing you gotta do in your car. That's the first thing. You have to tint the windows. It's a must. It's a must. That shit is hard though. Look at the calipers too. Oh, it's 3 of them. They deep. They deep. They stunned. But them shit's like fucking robots, bro. This is like fucking robots, bro. Yeah, that's the one from last time. Yeah. Yeah. That's the one from last time. Man. What y'all think about? What y'all think about those raps? What y'all think about those raps? Those raps that you rap one side of the car and you leave the other side regular, huh?
It depends what car.
Yeah, but y'all think it's fire? You save money too. You save money. You save money. You be like, yo, only do half of the car. Nah, bro. Oh, it's 4 of them. It's 4 of them. Nah, it's 5. Excuse me, 5. It's the gray one, the black one, the burgundy, and they all got different. They all got different colors. Damn. This is fun. My man getting a shot. My man getting a shot.
You gotta get lower, man. You gotta get lower than that. You gotta get lower. I wanna catch ants walking by, right?
Niggas they trying to catch ants walking by. Hey, La Mano.
I got that angle. What's up?
What the fuck?
Yo, you see, that's a strong nigga right here.
That thing. That man is working,
I
man.
really don't know what bit.
I knew this shit would pop up. That shit hard. Yo, so we almost reaching the end of the meet. We've been here for a while now. We've been here for like the whole time, man. It's been a good one. It's been a good one today. Cops ain't come through, man. For me, shout out Mpireboyz. The Sanders went up, man. Once again, y'all did it. It's been a good one. But yeah, we don't know what we about to do. We don't know if we're gonna head out to a new location or if we're gonna call it a night, because there are more meets that's going on for the rest of the night, so I'm not sure, man. But you know, wherever we go, y'all go. Oh
my God.
Where's Maxwell's at? Because they had to be there to catch it on camera, man.
Oh,
shit.
Bagged his shit.
Maxwell's about to have their own meet right now.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
You should have went to that.
If he moved up an inch.
Oh. I got this shit neutral. My son got the knee on his shit. That is not fire.
That is fire.
That is not fire. So I think it's a wrap, man. I think that's it for tonight. It was good, man. Checked out a different place too. Y'all seen the B-roll for that. But you feel me? I think it's done, man. I think it's over for today. It was good, man. I enjoyed it. Oh, so that's it, man. I'm gonna need y'all to like the video. If y'all like it, dislike it. If y'all dislike it, you feel me? Comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel, man. We making movies. We doing our thing, man. I'ma holla at y'all. Y'all want me to just drive it through? I'ma drive it through. You feel me? Till then, man, y'all be easy, man. Make sure to subscribe, man. Make sure to subscribe.
What is that?
I love you, concept.
I don't want to go. I can let it go. Said she love me and she miss me and whatever that means. Now I smoke the pain away, yeah, I'm on that OG. Been feeling like Boogie, I got ashes on my Marys. I've been going crazy, kicking shit with the whole team. I've been on my own, yeah, chillin' low-key. Bizzy told me get them lines, spit it with the whole team. Said she wants me and she needs me and she want the old me. I've been moving up, I've been ballin' like I'm Kobe. Now we pull up, fuck up sacks, spin it on and make it back. Now she wanna get attached, that want money, want the them racks. AMG is black on black, spin it off and spin it back. Never sipping on the act, on the money, that's a fact. And I can't get in my bag, no, no. I don't want no love no more. Ring, ring, cause they see I'm on. Ring, ring, cause they see I'm on. Let go, I've been trying to let go.
You know how I do, I let y'all go crazy.
Peasant out, Pluto. Peasant out.